Bye, Dad. I'm heading to the office.
All right, Daniel. Son, bring back 2 pounds of apples, okay?
Wait, I'll only bring the apples back once I actually get there.
Hey, Daniel, listen. Wait, where did he disappear to so fast?
Meanwhile, Daniel sneakily slips back into the house without his dad seeing him. Oh no, Mom is right there. I need to hide fast.
Hey, David, I've put your hot breakfast on the table. Eat it quickly. Oh no, my milk is boiling over in the kitchen. I have to run.
Just then, Daniel grabs his dad's breakfast and bolts.
Anyway, let me grab some breakfast quickly. Wait, there's nothing here. Hey, Lisa, where did you put the breakfast?
I'd better eat this quickly. Oh shoot, Mom is coming. I have to hide again.
Honestly, Daniel never even folds his quilt properly. And look at Daniel's shirt. It's so dirty. I'll go put this in the washing machine to get it cleaned.
Once she leaves, he sighs in relief. Finally, I can breathe. I didn't actually go to the office today, guys. If Mom finds out I'm still home, I'm in huge trouble.
David, come here. The hot food is ready.
Starving, Daniel grabs some hot rice and curry and ducks behind his mom to stay out of sight.
I'll just grab a bottle of Coke from the fridge.
He then manages to slip out through a narrow side path.
Wait, who took the bowl of rice and the plate of curry from here?
While his mom is busy washing the dishes, Daniel leaves the empty plate on the table and hides behind the fridge.
David must have hidden them. I'm going to call him.
Listen, Lisa, I got my salary today. We're going out to celebrate tonight.
Daniel knew exactly where his dad hid his cash. He reaches behind the TV, grabs his dad's monthly salary, and runs off.
David, what on earth are you looking for behind the TV?
It's nothing, Lisa. There was just a little dust behind the TV, so I was cleaning it.
Hey Mom, listen. I went to the office today and my boss gave me my monthly paycheck. Come on, let's go shopping. Wow, Daniel actually scammed his own dad. A like is definitely deserved for Daniel's cleverness.